Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know I'm so inconsistent, but you know, hey, depression in 2020, 2021, what can you do? So today's another unboxing. The last unboxing I did was my Switch, and it was a customization video, so I'll link that in the description below. But today is a different kind of unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing Eley Photo Presents the Creative Wellness Box. So this is a little blurb from her website, eleyphoto.com. And so from the website it reads, "This seasonal subscription box is crafted and curated by creatives for creatives. Inside, you'll discover 5 to 7 new products that change with each season. These essential, aspirational, and holistic products have been selected with the intention of balancing your well-being and supporting your creative journey. By subscribing, you are not only committed to supporting your wellness, but you're also supporting Southern brands, female-owned, and small businesses alike." So then it goes on to describe what the gold plan is, the silver plan is, which this is a winter box specifically. And so I'll read about what the winter box is. The Winter Wellness Collection of 2020 was the first of its kind, and only a few remain. Inside this inaugural box, you will find all of the core essentials you need to whisk away the winter blues. This box features high-end and cozy clothing from Citizen Supply, sweet treats from a cacao, child, right there. A cacao affair, lip nourishing products from Lady May Cosmetics, as well as homemade blended tea and a fine art print from the lead creator, Eley. Grab this box if you also want to get your hands on the gold membership side without the commitment of being in the subscription plan. All vendors have been thoughtfully brought into this collection to provide you with harmony between your internal, physical, and spiritual body. So, for me personally, let me, in the full disclosure, Eley is actually a super close friend of mine. Love her dearly, support her very much, but I know her. She, was breaking down when she first started making this, and I was like, I've legitimately never heard of anything like this. Girl, I want win. Give me some. And so, because she is my friend, I bought it. You support your friends, small businesses, support them. So I bought this, was mailed to me, or did she? Yeah, I think she was. Anyways, it can be mailed, but I bought it, and I have waited all of this time to unbox it. We're a little crooked. Boop. Just the whole idea of a holistic approach for creatives, by creatives. I'm like, I've never heard of anything like that before, and I want it because I'm always like, if you just look at my channel, you can see the inconsistencies all throughout my channel. I'll consistently post for like 3 months and then don't post for 9 months, or whatever. So for me, outside of supporting my friend and her small business, but I wanted it to see if it'll help me get me back together and posting how I should be on Instagram with my K-pop reaction channel, on this channel, and figuring out what I want to do with this channel, blah, 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 blah. So I was like, let me just do a little unboxing or whatever. So this is the winter box. The spring box, the pre-order for that just opened on February 10th. And I'll link all of the stuff for this down in the description below, so you guys can have it if you're interested in something like this. But I think it is really cool. So you see, so cute. It's so cute. Like, the packaging of the box is really like nice. The texture of this is, oh, welcome to the club. Thanks. And then eleyphoto.com. And then that's the @ for the Insta. So all of that'll be in the description. But the feel of it is really nice. It's really sturdy. I think I got the silver box because, 2020, the girl was broke. So I think I gotta open it this way so y'all can see. Oh, so you get a sticker. I love it, from the logo from the box. So, boop, boop. boop. Super cute. Don't mind the dings in the background. And then it says, the meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. Picasso. That's so deep, y'all. Got me in my feelings. So before I completely unwrap this, let me set an intention behind it. And I kind of alluded to it a little bit earlier, but I want my intentions for this and to finish opening it is to inspire me for consistent creativity and consistent content. So I want to be a consistent content creator, and I'm hoping and I'm putting my intentions into that this will help me become what I want. So being a content creator, love the gold. All right. Oh my God, so cute. So a little thank you card with a pen. Oh, cute. So it says, welcome to your creative wellness box. May it support your creative ventures. XX Eley Winter 2020. It's got my name on there. And then this is the card and a super cute pen. Like, holy crap, this is really nice, girl. Okay, sis, you are doing that. Hold on, y'all. So unintentionally, my press-ons match. Oh, okay, focus. No, I can be a whole YouTuber. No. Okay, maybe not. So it's a camera. How cute. How cute. It's like really nice. Really well made. Ooh. Oh, snap. What is this? This looks like chocolate. Is it chocolate? Raspberry. So raspberry chocolate. Delicious. This is the one that I couldn't pronounce. Cacao Affair. Child, let me have me a little bite. Let me find out. Let me see what's going on. Okay. Y'all better warm my soul right now. Please don't act up, weather. I got my window open just because it's raining, and I'm like, oh, it's just so nice and rainy. Eating chocolate in the rain is like the perfect thing. This is delicious. Oh, snap. Okay. Let me set her here. And then more chocolate. This looks like white chocolate. This is strawberry. And I'll let your girl have a little taste of this too. So I will be doing a I will be doing a spring. So listen, I just popped these press-ons on real quick because my nails look raggedy and I wanted to be like super cute about it. But I can't have them just like falling off in the middle of recording. It looks like real strawberry. Do y'all see that? And even, it looks like a little design on the back. I mean, granted, I just broke it off, but, oh, it's really good. I like. All right. Tailored Union. Oh my God, so cute. Okay, let's see. Can I open these without ooh, ow. All right. Oh, these are like nice quality socks. Okay. I like. Really cute. So you got a pair of socks in here. All right, we're gonna keep dabbing. hibiscus and green pearl tea. I love it. So you can like really feel the herb in there. Like you can really feel that hibiscus in there. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like real deal like thickness. Okay. Nice. Smells good. Ooh, smells good. Chapstick. Looking for my chapstick. Got lost in traffic. There's a Ford Maverick. Sorry. Lady May Peppermint Lip Balm Naturally BU. So the ingredients in here is mango butter, vitamin E, peppermint, soy wax. So you can go to their website at Lady May. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly because I don't want to mess that up. LadyMayCosmetics.com. I don't know if you can see. You cannot see, but of course I'm gonna link all of it. And I like that even though this is a small Black owned business, because I actually know who the owner is. Not like we're friends like BFF, but we've worked together a few times. But I love that it has like just the simple detailing. The packaging looks really nice, and then it has like a security seal, which even some big brands don't have security seals, and I feel like you need that for nowadays because people are weird. Okay, I mean, I'm not gonna show my face, but all right. She's hydrating, got a little peppermint feel. Try not to move everything here. So then the last thing is, let me just take the paper out. So that's just this left. So I can put everything else in here. I'm just gonna move that to the side for right now. And shade in the corner. Don't do that. Okay. It says, join us at jujuexchange.com /jazzrx. So I'm guessing this is for like relaxing, and matter of fact, let's just go to the website right now. Mother Nature better calm down. I guess Mother Nature need her a little wellness box to like chill out for a second, because all of that is not necessary. You feel me? So I'm just going to read quickly from the website what it says. So it says, the Juju Exchange is looking to engage our audience in a trust-building exercise. Trust us with a story of love, pain, and anything in between, and we will create a piece of music inspired by you. We're opening this up exclusively to our most ardent supporters, our patrons. And joining us on this journey, you may find Slav in these notes. Our first prompt for Jazz Arts came from a dear friend and musical collaborator, Macy Stewart. She asked us to some music for the compilation album Warm Violet she was putting together in order to raise funds for basic goods and services for those re-entering society from Cook County Jail on Chicago's South Side. In response, we prescribed Fusundiri. Listen, I don't read well. And the word I'm trying to pronounce is actually a song. So, a track about bringing forth new life. Our music is in service to new life possible for the formerly incarcerated, for a nation sick with a prison industrial complex, and for each one of you listening. So, for the remaining of this video, I'm just gonna play the song. But we only have a couple more things to look through. So, Lester Bailey is the owner of Lady May Cosmetics. This is the card. And like I said, I'll have everything in the description below. You cannot... It's not focusing. So I'll put her there. And so, ooh, more stickers. Yo! Eley, you are killing it with these stickers and pins, girl. Yes. Like, look at that. Do you see like the little rainbow effect that it has and the shine that is just reflecting off of my ring lights? Yo, sick. So then this is a picture of her fine art. Actually, I'm not, well, yes, I am. I'm gonna make sure that there's not a second one in there. No, it's just one. Okay, so because it's just one, I'm actually not going to open it because I am the queen of destruction and I will tear this thing up. So I'm not going to do it, but look at that. So this is Eley's photography right here. I'm not sure where the model is. It says 325 Lady Trojan 2009 Eley on the back. Look at the lighting on this. Look at the complexion. Just... you better come through and slay my life, okay? You and this model. Yes, ma'am. Oh. If y'all are into, like, photography and fine art photography, you guys really should check out Eley Photos on Instagram. Like, she's really consistent with posting. And she's always, like, giving us something new of her work, and she's constantly working, and it's really beautiful. And not just because, like, she's my friend, but legitimately she's a great photographer. So this is the winter box of Eley Photo Presents Photo Wellness Box for holistic creators, for creators, by creators. I love it. I'm actually, because of the spring box that's coming, I'm actually going to buy that one too. She doesn't know that yet until she gets this video. I may have already bought it by then. But that box looks really interesting, and I can't wait to unbox that as well. So here we are. This is the winter wellness box. There we are. So I'll see you guys in like 6 months. Catch y'all on the next one. Bye.